Before buying an ITX case, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is a fantastic micro ATX case priced at $39.99. I was immediately drawn to its unique perforated airflow design and the magnetic dust filters, which are a nice touch. If you want a budget-friendly case that keeps your components cool, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has ample interior space, supporting micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, which is crucial if you ever want to upgrade. Plus, it accommodates CPU coolers up to 159 and GPUs up to 360, allowing you to build a powerful system without feeling cramped. And let's not forget the modular I/O panel, which you can adjust to fit your layout preferences. With a 4.5-star rating from over 13,900 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance and flexibility. Now, some people complained about the difficulty in cable management due to its compact size. Here's the thing though, as long as you're willing to spend a little time organizing your cables, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget case that doesn't sacrifice performance. Skip this one if you need a case with extensive cable management options out of the box. At $39.99, it's a great value for what you get. Now, if the Q300L's cable management issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Cooler Master NR200. Next up is the Cooler Master NR200, which retails for $86.99. Its compact design caught my eye, especially the horizontal GPU mount that supports high-end GPUs up to 330. If you want a premium look and performance, this is worth a serious look. What makes this case stand out is its focus on airflow and cooling. It supports up to 6 fans and can house a 240 or 280 radiator for those intense gaming sessions. This means your components stay cool even during heavy workloads. Plus, it's designed exclusively for SFX power supplies, which maximizes space efficiency. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,400 reviews, users rave about its build quality and cooling capabilities. But here's the thing, if you're building a compact system with high-performance parts, using SFX is actually an advantage for space saving. This is perfect for you if you prioritize cooling and are using high-end components. Skip this one if you prefer ATX power supplies in your build. For $86.99, you're getting solid performance in a compact form factor. Alright, that was a solid option. Product number 3, Lion Li A3 MATX-WD. The Lion Li A3 MATX-WD is priced at $89.99 and features a stylish wood front panel, which really caught my attention. Its modular design and compact size make it a fantastic choice for those who appreciate aesthetics as much as performance. If you want a case that looks as good as it functions, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive here is its support for GPUs up to 415, and the ability to house a 360 radiator with up to 10 fans. The high airflow steel mesh panels ensure that even the most demanding components stay cool. Plus, the flexibility in PSU installation allows for better cable management and clearance. With a 4.8-star rating from 394 reviews, it's a top performer in terms of airflow and design. Now, some buyers noted that it doesn't include any fans, which can be a letdown. However, I'd argue that this allows for customization based on your specific cooling needs, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of style and performance. Skip this one if you prefer a case that comes with pre-installed cooling solutions. At $89.99, you get an attractive and effective case. Now, if the lack of included fans was a concern for you, the next option might just have what you need. Product number 4, Silverstone SSD SG13B, coming in at $67.92. The Silverstone SSD SG13B is an ultra-compact mini ITX case that surprised me with its build quality. It's small but mighty, perfect for those who need a true space saver. If you want a straightforward, no-frills case for a compact build, this is worth a serious look. With a case dimension of just 8.47 inches wide and 11.22 inches deep, it's incredibly space-efficient while still allowing for a decent amount of airflow. The 4.6-star rating from 533 reviews shows that many users appreciate its compactness and functionality. Now, some users did mention the somewhat cramped interior can make building tricky. I get it. If you're not comfortable with tight spaces, this might frustrate you. But for those who are patient and enjoy the challenge, it's definitely manageable. This is perfect for you if you need an ultra-compact case for a minimal setup. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more expansion options. At $67.92, it's a solid choice for budget-minded builds. Finally, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much. Product number 5, TGDGAMER MADEX Case. Last but not least is the TGDGAMER MADEX case, priced at just $29.99. I was genuinely surprised by the airflow design at this price point. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers decent cooling, this is worth a serious look. What stands out is its high-performance airflow system, which helps keep your components cool even under load. It supports micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards and can fit up to 2 120mm fans and one 80mm fan. This means you can achieve a decent cooling setup without breaking the bank. With a 4.1-star rating from 361 reviews, many users appreciate its value for money. Now, some folks have mentioned the build quality feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, at this price, you're getting a functional case that does its job well enough for entry-level builds. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want a decent airflow case. Skip this one if you need something more durable or aesthetically pleasing. At $29.99, it's hard to argue with the price. To wrap up, each of these cases offers unique features while addressing the challenges of compact builds. Whether you're looking for style, cooling, or budget-friendliness, there's a solid option here. To recap, the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is great for budget builds. The NR200 excels in cooling, the Lion Li A3 provides style and modularity, the Silverstone SSD SG13B is perfect for compactness, and the TGDGAMER offers incredible value. No matter your needs, there's a case here for you.